10th generation certified pre-owned Honda Accord here in stock, 2021. November 2026 registration is going to help you out tremendously throughout the year. Come on down. We got the all-new Tracy Honda here, 3450 Auto Plaza Way, Tracy, California, 95304. Already got 3 deals out today. Vehicle was ready for me yesterday. However, there was new tires being put on, mounted, and balanced. So just to let you know, when you do get something here, it's going to be quality. You have a guarantee until October 30th, 2028, or 100,000 miles on the odometer, whichever comes first, as well as many more features and benefits, being a certified pre-owned Honda owner. 10th generation Honda Accord was here from 2018 to 2023 before they did the redesign. The now iconic look that you see on the road daily. 255/50 rated, 17-inch wheels. Is your exterior walk around. As long as the vehicle's unlocked, you got your capless fuel filler. Largest interior in its class. No odors, no smells, no rips, no tears, no stains, no punctures, no soiling. Just a really good looking machine here, waiting for you. Auto down and auto up windows on both sides as well. There's so many vehicles with pictures. What we want to do is make sure that you can see. You even have on an LX, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on the screen. You got a wide 3-angle backup camera as well. Currently has 73,366 miles. You have your multi-informational display, or you could change it to your range and your fuel. This vehicle was well driven. You see it had an average of 31.4, very well maintained. It actually feels really good. It's really cold outside, so this was helping out nicely. But there you go. You got your park, your reverse, your drive, your shift, your low gear, your parking brake, your econ mode. Come on down to Tracy Honda. See this vehicle in person. Take your professional demonstration and your VIP test drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video.